In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show tasks and other records in the Salesforce calendar. If you're looking to streamline your workflow by having all your tasks and other records right at your fingertips on the Salesforce calendar, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into this simple process that'll take just about 5 minutes. First, start by opening up the calendar from the navigation bar in your Salesforce dashboard. It's usually located at the top of your screen and is easy to spot. By accessing your calendar, you're setting the stage for a more organized and efficient task management experience. Once your calendar view is open, look for the gear icon, typically found in the top corner of the calendar view. Go ahead and click on that. This gear icon is your gateway to more advanced settings and customization options, allowing you to tailor the calendar to better suit your needs. With the settings menu open, it's time to create a new calendar. This step is crucial as it allows you to add a customized layer to your default calendar view. Simply select the option to create a new calendar. It's straightforward and sets the foundation for pulling in just the information you need. Now for your new calendar, select Task as your source. By doing so, you indicate that the information you want displayed primarily involves tasks. This selection enables the calendar to pull task-related data from Salesforce and present it in the view you are setting up. Moving on, it's important to define a filter and date field. This step is particularly handy because it allows you to refine the types of tasks you want to see. You might decide to filter by priority, status, or any other criteria that makes your task management more efficient. Additionally, setting a date field ensures you're viewing tasks within a relevant time frame, keeping your schedule well organized. After you've set your filter and date field, give this newly created calendar a recognizable name like My Task Calendar. Naming your calendar helps differentiate it from others, ensuring easy access and reference whenever you need. Once you've named it, click Save. Saving is a critical step as it ensures all your configurations are stored and ready for use. There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of knowing your calendar is set up exactly as you need it. Finally, don't forget to customize your display by clicking the drop-down button. This gives you further control over how your tasks are presented, allowing you to adjust visual settings that cater to your preferences. Perhaps you prefer a monthly overview or maybe a more detailed daily view. Customize it to fit your workflow. And there you have it. In just a few short steps, you've successfully integrated tasks and other records into the Salesforce calendar, enhancing your productivity. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep optimizing your workflows for success.